What's up all you lovers, how's life going on there? In this video is a short introduction of AWEI's product like the headphone and the TWS, that so-called AWEI brand, which many people make fun of it, the bloggers and the consumer, just because of the word away, which sounds like the day you went away or fly away, whatever it is, as long as there is the word away. Well guys, let's go deep down after my intro. That's me guys, and these are the activities of my channel. This stuff under the Dandy Audio Adventure and the MTPRe Measure, Test, Program, Review, and Evaluate. To start it, these are the range of product that I have right now. But someone asked me if I can make a clarification of the brand AWEI, which written as this one, and it can be read as AWEI, but it also possible to read as AIVEI. Which one is actually true? Is it AWEI or AIVEI? Let's decode AWEI, which is the most popular one. The word AWEI may come from Yongwei. So Yongwei basically is a name of a person in China, and the way they address it is that the first word is the family name followed by the name. So in this case of Yongwei, Yong is the family name and Wei is the name of a person. The keyword here is the Wei, and where is the word A came from, like in the word AWEI. Well, to understand this, let's see how the Chinese people address a person politely. By adding an A or A before the name, you are actually addressing a person politely or calling a person politely, like Mr. Wei or Miss Wei. And I can guess that Wei is no longer a young person, or it's not very old person, because if that's so, it should be called Xiao Wei for a younger person, and Da Wei for an old person. Probably Wei is just like me, not so young, not so old. And once again, you call it AWEI, Mr. Wei, Miss Wei. Make sense, guys? Well, what about AIVEI? Gosh, I love this part. It's basically a love story, and it's a little bit long, but let me cut it short. You know, in China, the word I means love, like the Chinese in Mandarin says 我爱你, which means I love you. The keyword here is AI, which is not an artificial intelligence. It's called I, literally means love, and Wei, guess what? It's vase. So if you translate that into English, that means love waves. I love it. I love that part, love waves. And it makes me remind her actually. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so it's time for me to ask a question. What products of AIVEI you are using? But anyway, for me, personally, I am using the headphone, the A950BL. This is a headphone with ANC. So my baby is already wake up. I started vlogging at like about 6 o'clock in the morning. What I'm saying is that I would like to show you some of the footage of using the A950 with an ANC for almost about 3 years. And here you go. These are the actual real life usage of A950. Come on! footage is the most awesome one. I never seen anyone who did this kind of test. I've never seen anybody who challenged the function of the ANC against a Judas belt. Let's see it. Alright, so this time I'm gonna put my headphone with an ANC, and let's see how good is the headphone with an ANC against that Judas belt. We'll see that. Just want to make it sure the ANC is on. Okay, it's on. Aba. Hey, Kaiser. Oh my God. No worry about it. No worry. I got the headphone. Have you seen anyone testing an ANC like that? That's exactly what I'm telling to you about DIYers review, which make a par from the review of bloggers, marketing endorsers, and so on and so forth. By the way guys, this review and this product in here is not sponsored by Yale Electronics. This is just a part of the discovery under the Dandy Audio Adventure and MTPRe thread, which basically I claim it to be a DIYer's review. You probably seen me in one of my videos working with DIY amplifiers. I'm making my own power amplifiers. That is a high fidelity amplifiers that we're making, and it's worth also to take a look at this product from AIVEI. Again, I love to call it AIVEI because it's a deeper meaning with the word love vapes. And it's worth also to take a look at this headphone, the A710BL and the A950BL, which I love it no matter it is summer, spring or winter, which really give me a kind of anti-stress. You know what I mean? I've been here working as an overseas Filipino worker and under put a lot of stress, and that makes this product to unleash those kind of stress. That's why I called any music gadgets to be called anti-stress formula. And one thing more is that AIVEI claim that their product is for all kind of music. That's really interesting for me. So I'd like to take and start reviewing these products, especially the A950, which have been using it for about 3 years now. It's my sidekick blogger in here. Here you go. Cheers. Well, as you can see, I'm basically wearing the A950BL right now. This is actually a real world functional test right now for my 10 minutes daily routine. And one thing that I can add about the AIVEI range of product introduction, like the A950, A710BL, as well as the TWS TA8 and TA3, is about the company certified as BSCI. That's quite very important for the consumer like you and me, that the product that we are using right now, like the A950BL from Yale Electronics, they were manufactured by the operators, that these operators they were not abused, but rather they are being taken care of according to the local governments based on the labor laws. Again, in terms of salary, benefits, working hours, no young workers, and all of this stuff that is required by the government. And you should be happy of using AIVEI product, and because those operators that manufacture this product, they are being taken care of. Alright, so there will be more information from the DIYer's point of view in terms of the compliance, like the chemical compliance, like the ROS compliance, the packaging directives, the WE directives, which actually AWEI is advertised that one. Just many people or probably users do not understand about this one, and I'm going to explain that in my review and use of the product. Don't forget to watch those videos because I have a deep review about all of these informations that most of the bloggers, most of the consumers do not understand it, and that is my strength on the DIY's review on the Dandy Oreo Adventure as well as the MTPRe.